Hey guys, I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel, Amateur Beauty. If you're new to my channel, I make beginner-friendly content. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also click the bell so you can be notified when I post. So in today's video, Miss Nellie Roberts is going to teach me how to do my eyebrows. Nellie Roberts is a YouTuber who vlogs, has hauls, and also does a lot of beauty tutorials. So if you want to check her out, her link will be down below as well as the link to this video. And go ahead and tell her I sent you guys. We're going to see if this tutorial actually works or not. So, Miss Nellie, let's get it popping and let's go ahead and watch.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it up.
So she first starts off with a brow definer, and I have one here, and she used a spoolie to push up her eyebrows. So I'm gonna do the same.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
Then she goes in with a brow gel, and I have one here as well, and I'm just gonna go in as well. I never do this step whatsoever. I thought this was like an ending step. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I have a video here. You can see it right here in the card, and also it'll be at the end of this video and also in the description down below. So let's go ahead.
It's easier said than done. That guy travels with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
And then she starts to fill in her brows.
It's more than a feeling.
See, my thing is IDK how to start filling my brows. Like, where do I begin? Look bad, okay.
You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay.
Now she's going in with a brush and cleaning up her eyebrows underneath. So I'm gonna do the same. And I use the Maybelline Fit Me.
Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time.
Okay, and now she takes a brush and blend it out. So I'm gonna do this thing. Whoa. Whoa. Nellie! Nellie! Oh my god, you guys, look at my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows. Oh my freaking gosh. This is the best I ever did my eyebrows, you guys. This tutorial really works. I am so freaking amazing. It was so easy and quick. Miss Nellie Roberts, your tutorials do work. So if you're looking for a tutorial that works, this one definitely works. So look at her videos, go look her up, go follow her videos, you guys. These tutorials work. So therefore, don't forget, I'm just an amateur. Who knows how to do my freaking brows. Freaking amazing. Look at my other eyebrow. This is how my regular eyebrows are. And this is my new technique to do my freaking eyebrows. Like,